Hello everyone. We will now see intercompany eliminations. Any transactions that occur across entities within an organization are called intercompany transactions, and these transactions must be eliminated at consolidated level to avoid double counting. We will now see the important steps that are required in order to get intercompany elimination working. So the first dimension is account dimension. Account members must be tagged as intercompany accounts if those accounts are intercompany accounts. Entity must be tagged as intercompany entity in order to participate in intercompany transactions. When entity is tagged as intercompany partner, then ICP member gets created in intercompany dimension. So these accounts in account dimension must be linked with a plug account. So if there is an intercompany sales account and there must be intercompany COGS account, these two accounts must be linked with a common plug account. Why? Because any differences that occur within these intercompany sales and COGS will be eliminated and will be stored using plug account. Let's see with an example. This is the entity structure, and in this example, if any transaction happens between these two entities, it gets eliminated at a common level. And if any transaction occurs between these entities, it gets eliminated at a global entity level 1000. I have taken two intercompany accounts. This is intercompany sales and this is intercompany COGS. And these two are linked with a plug account. Any name you can give for the plug account. Right now I will give sales plug account. So 2100 is the entity. It has intercompany sales with partner 2101, $943 US. 2101 intercompany COGS. So this entity must record this one as intercompany COGS 590100 and partner is 2100 and that is $943. These two are child members of 2000. At 2000 level, this should get eliminated. How it works in HFM internally or technically is, in a value dimension, HFM creates elimination member and it calculates a reversal of this value, and again for COGS also reversal value. So at common level, USD plus elimination will become 0. So the elimination will happen at a common parent level. Let's see in metadata how to set up these attributes. So I have opened metadata manager and this is intercompany account 490100, which is defined as intercompany revenue. The plug account is sales plug, is ICP is Y. So that means this is an intercompany account. Same for intercompany COGS, plug account is sales plug. Now these two accounts are paired. 490100 and 590100 has common plug account and it is also ICP account. And now we define a plug account outside this hierarchy, and this plug account can have account type as revenue if we are pairing up income statement accounts. If we are pairing up balance sheet accounts like intercompany accounts receivable, intercompany accounts payable, you can define another plug account, balance sheet plug, something like that, or you can give any name and give the account type as asset. So for this, I have given account type as revenue and is ICP is no. Is ICP can be Y if you want to see the intercompany partner details for the plug account also. In entity dimension, tag the member entity base level of entity dimension as is ICP. Then this entity can participate in intercompany transactions. If this is not selected, this entity cannot participate in intercompany transactions. Let's log into Workspace and see some data. I have loaded trial balance for 3 entities and ran consolidation. Let's go through this grid to understand the intercompany eliminations. So here account dimension in row and ICP entities dimension in row, and in column dimension I have entities. So 2100 entity has intercompany revenue. That means this entity sold some products to 2101. Now 2101 entity must book this record as intercompany COGS against partner 2100. So because these two are child members of 2000 and at 2000 is a common parent, and this record will get eliminated. That means it is becoming 0. Now intercompany COGS is also 0. But we are seeing some intercompany value 1300. So what about this? So 2100 entity has intercompany COGS with 3100. That means it purchased some goods from 3100. 3100 entity is child of 3000. So the common parent is 1000, that is PSS Global. So at this level 2000, it's not getting eliminated. It is showing 2000 parent has an intercompany cost as 1300. Now 3000 entity is also showing intercompany revenue as 1300. Now the common parent is 1000, that is PSS Global. If you see all intercompany, these are all intercompany transactions, everything is eliminated, that is 0. So this is one check. At global level all intercompany transactions must be 0. Oracle provides out-of-box intercompany reports. This grid is created by us. We can use the out-of-box intercompany reports. Let's see how to create the intercompany report. Consolidation, intercompany and reports. You can click actions and new report. You can click on this symbol, reports, intercompany. So you can give any name and rest of them you can leave it like that. You can say using plug account. So I want to bring the plug account. Click on this one and select sales plug account. So any accounts, intercompany sales, COGS, which are having a common plug account as sales plug will get created in this report. So now I have selected the plug account. I need to select the entity dimension. I want to see entire hierarchy, 1000 descendants. For ICP also, I want to select entire hierarchy, and let's run this report by previewing or printing. Now a report is open. So this has all the details. 2101 entity, partner 2100, COGS as 943, 2100, partner is 9101 and account is this one, and 943, the difference is 0. Similarly 2100 entity, partner 3100, 1300 and the difference is 0. If any entity records the other intercompany transaction with some other value, let us say 943 and here it is 950, that is one entity is booking as 943, other entity booking as 950, there is a $7 difference. So this report will help controllers in any company to understand the intercompany issues. I have created a grid called intercompany elimination to see how much is eliminated at each entity level or at a parent level. At entity level 2100, 943 is eliminated. And similarly 2101, 943 is eliminated. And at parent level 2000 level, 1300 is eliminated. This value appears against value dimension member called elimination. Let's go to design mode to see these combinations. So I have account ICP in row, entity and value dimension in columns. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next sessions.